This is Dave with NAPCO Tech Support. In my previous video, I described how to use the NAPCO Technical Library, and in this video, I will explain how to use the NAPCO Dealer Portal. Please feel free to pause the video at any time if it makes it easier to follow along. In order to use the NAPCO Dealer Portal, you must first register at the NAPCO Technical Library at tech.napcosecurity.com. Your dealer ID and password you use for ComNet and the NOC will not work for the dealer portal. Only the username and password for the NAPCO Technical Library will work for the NAPCO Dealer Portal. For information on how to register for the NAPCO Technical Library, please see the video on how to use the NAPCO Technical Library. You can get to the NAPCO Dealer Portal by going to the Technical Library section for any of the 3 brands listed under Technical Library. You will find the Dealer Portal button under any of those 3. When you arrive at the Dealer Portal, you must log in before you can view any of the articles. It will allow you to search for an article, but if you attempt to view the article, you will receive this access denied error. After you click on Sign In, you will be taken back to the Technical Library momentarily, and then you will be taken back to the Dealer Portal. You can verify you are logged in by verifying your name in the upper right corner. If you previously were trying to view an article and you received the Access Denied error, it will not go away until you click on Home, and then you can restart your search. Now that you know how to log into the Dealer Portal, what is it and how do you use it? The Dealer Portal is a place where you can search our knowledge base for specific pieces of information. We are constantly updating this on a near daily basis, so for the most part, all you have to do is think of what you are trying to figure out and type it in the search bar here. Let's say you wanted to find the max wire length for the SLC circuit on a Firelink or a GEM-C panel. You could just type in SLC wire length and you'll get several different search results. This first one here looks like what we're looking for, so I'll click on that. And you can see here, this gives me a full explanation of wire gauge and distances for the SLC circuit, including Class A and Class B. This same article also covers the Berg SLC, and up at the top you can see that it includes the standard keypad data bus distances as well. For a new search, you can either click on the Home button to go back to the home page, or you can click on the spyglass in the upper right corner. You can also search for alarm lock articles here as well. For example, what if you are having issues getting DL Windows connected to your database when running the DL Windows database configuration? So I'll just type in something like DL Windows database won't connect. And this one here looks like what I'm looking for. It's titled Cannot Connect DL Windows to Database. So I will click on this, and it has an explanation for the potential causes as well as some troubleshooting tips and some links to Microsoft for more information on how to do the suggested troubleshooting steps on the Windows operating system. What if you wanted to figure out how to program the inputs on the Starlink radios for reporting to Central Station? Well, I'm going to type in Setup Starlink Inputs for Reporting and click on the search icon. And here we can see we have a few of them dealing with the same topic. This one is for a traditional dial-up receiver, and this one is for an IP receiver. And if we click on it, the first thing we see is a wiring diagram. Those are always useful. And we have a screenshot for the NOC programming. Now, if we go back to the IP reporting one, we can see we have the same kind of information, but this is highlighting reporting to an IP receiver. On that same note, what if you wanted to know how to program a CS test timer for a radio that is using inputs and I want it to report to an IP receiver at Central Station, since there isn't a panel to do the test timer. Well, I could just type in something like radio test timer inputs. Let's see what we get back with just that information. And we get back some interesting results. We have one that says, why am I getting 2 test timers? A good one, but not what we're looking for. Another one that says, what is the importance of a test timer? More people should read that, but not what I'm looking for. Test timer for radios reporting to an IP receiver using input trips. Yep, that's what I was looking for. We click on that, and here we go. We have pictures with step-by-step instructions and arrows pointing out the important parts of the image. For my final example, I'm going to switch up and look for something else from Alarm Lock. Let's try convert cylindrical lock to IC core and see what we get. And here we go. The first thing, we have information on how to do it, and we have a full parts list for the different parts you may need based on what you currently have and what you wish to convert to. As you can see, this is a powerful tool and we are expanding it on a near daily basis. Unlike with the technical library, where the search can only give you the document related to your search, this can give you very specific information with minimal search criteria. And since we are constantly updating this knowledge base, the information provided will get more specific over time. So remember, if you need documentation for any of our devices, training videos, or access to our dealer portal, head on over to tech.napcosecurity.com.